Oh, hey everybody, Lewis here. Our Shack Barbecue and other things. Now today I'm doing one of those other things. Long Thanksgiving weekend. Gonna replace the heater core on this vehicle. So anyway, this video is actually gonna be after Thanksgiving probably, and I'm gonna do a turkey. I'm just going to kind of show you how I did mine. I'm going to brine it. I'll show you the ingredients of the brine that I'm going to do. It's going to be a fruit, citrus with some lemon in it and some herbs. I'm going to brine it for overnight, and then I'm also going to inject it with a garlic butter herb. Show you those ingredients. And then I'm going to smoke it on my Weber Smoky Mountain. Probably going to be using a mixture of fruit woods in there on the coals, and hoping to get it done and hold it right around 300, 325, get it done in 4 hours. But I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. I need to get back on my job here, but I hope you enjoy this video.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Alrighty, well let's have a quick sample of this turkey that we smoked on the Weber Smoky Mountain that I brined overnight, and then I injected it with a buttery herb sauce. But first, happy Thanksgiving and cheers to everybody. Hope everybody's being safe and enjoying life. Rainier, way to go. Alright, let's take a bite. So delicious. Definitely has that smoky flavor, using that pear wood that I put in there, and then charcoal. It's awesome. I'm telling you right now, it's so moist and soft and so delicious. No gravy required. Anyway, I'm going to dish this up and then get busy eating. So, as always, thank you for watching. Real honor.